What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, back with another great video. But in today's video, I got something extra special for you. I'm going to show you how to make $140 in an hour. That's right, I'm going to show you how to make $140 in an hour. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to share with you some tips of how to do so. If it's your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andre, and I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing in just different ways. So here's my videos. There's tons of videos on here. If this is not something that you're looking for, I highly recommend you just check out my other videos that I show on here so you can get started. So for my regulars, happy to have you here. It's always good to see you back on another great video. So people want to know how to make money online. I'm sure people are searching all over the internet. They're searching Google, searching YouTube, and you just need to find a way how to get things started. Now, I'm going to share with you a specific website because I've done some research. I went on to some very credible websites as well, just to make sure that this actually do work and they actually pay $140 per hour. Because when I was looking at it, I was like, there's absolutely no way. So this is something that you're already doing and you can get paid just by doing it. You're always online. You always searching. You always doing different things, and especially participate in different forums and all that type of stuff. So $140, is it possible? Absolutely. So this particular website is called respondent.io. So I'm going to share with you exactly how it works. So you get paid the highest quality for research. So they're looking for participants and people that will generally do research. So the good thing about this, you could do this anywhere at any time, and they will send you projects inside of your email. And you find any research participant anywhere in the world. That's the beauty about this. It can be done all over the world. So I do believe that this is worldwide because, as you can see, there's Mexico City, Indonesia, UK. These are some of the people that they're just displaying on this particular page. So if you scroll down, how it works: post a project, invite, schedule, you conduct research, and pay research participant. Now, if you want to participate in this, you want to click on this where it says for respondents only. So once you click on that, it's going to take you over here, and you get paid for participating in research studies. So just like how I told you, you're going to get paid for things that you already know how to do. So instead of you going to Google and always searching, you want to come on this particular platform and do some searches, so that way you could get paid like right away. So how it works, you could just click on where it says sign up. If you look right here, so far they paid over $2 million, and average time to do this is 30 minutes. Just like how I mentioned that I'm going to share with you how you can make $140 average hourly payment. So $140 on average. So they could pay more or they could pay less, but that's the average that they're paying right now. So once you sign up, you're going to click right here where it's going to sign up. To sign up, you need to connect like your LinkedIn or a Facebook account. The reason why they want to do that is because they want to get as much data as possible, so that way advertisers and marketers can have data of the behaviors of people. Now, it is safe, and you don't have to worry about, okay, are they going to steal my stuff? Is it that this is going to be absolutely wrong? No, this is a legitimate website, and it does work. And that's why Facebook, Instagram, and all that type of stuff is absolutely free. A lot of people don't know what they do. They get your information, they track your behaviors, what type of ads you click on, what type of videos that you watch, and then in return, they will sell it to people who are marketers. So when I say sell it, it kind of sounds like they're going to take your information or anything. No, they're just going to get like your behaviors and all that type of stuff. They're not going to, sell you stuff like your credit card information and all that. So you don't have to worry. You're absolutely safe. It's just they want to track your behaviors. What type of things are you interested in? So that way, whenever a marketer is going to go and place an ad, they will say, let's say they're trying to target people anywhere from between 25 years old and 35 years old. So that way you will fit in that type of category. So right here, get matched or match an algorithm, just like how I mentioned, you participate. When invited to a study, you'll be able to select a time that fits your schedule. So that's the beauty about it. So you get paid. After you get paid via PayPal, respondent will only collect a 5%. So if you make $100, they're going to take $5. That's how it works because they get a little incentive as well. And you can also earn money just by referring your family, friends, or people that you know. If you want to make extra money, I highly recommend you sign up. You get your link. You could go to different platforms such as like Reddit. You can go on Quora. You can go on Facebook, and you could share your link on there. Not just go on there and just blast your link all over the place, because that's not how you share your link. What you do is you could tell people, hey, I can share with you a way how you can make $140 per hour. If you'd like to get some information, click down below or comment info. And then you could build rapport, you could build trust, then you could shoot them your link. You don't want to just send people your link right away. It's not going to work like that. So once you click on here, you can see some of the different type of projects that are available right now. Like, look at this one, seeking healthcare professionals. And as a medical researcher, you're getting like $300 for 60 minutes. So if you come here and you could even break it down to how much you can extend it if you want, how much time it's going to take, you can even take it down. So diary study, 60 minutes, $350. There's $200 seeking marketing analysis who work on direct messaging to inform product design. Seeking people with commercial auto insurance. That's $125. Tell us about HR role. So these are some of the things that you will participate in for you to start to do some research, and then you could start to make money. So you could do it in person or you could do it remote. So if you click on the remote section, these are some of the remote jobs that they want you to complete. So this, $300, $350, $200, $150, $10. Are you over 35 and live in Sweden? So if you're in Sweden, they're looking for some Swedish. A short survey and a social media analysis, that's 5 minutes, $5. Do you work in food production? So if you do work in food production, you could check this out. And this is like 60 minutes for $90. Seeking male shavers for paid online interview. Right here as well. Want to share your laundry experience with us? We will compensate you for your time. So you could just do your laundry and give you your feedback. So these are some of the different things that you will be doing, and you can make money. 30 minutes, you can make $60. Most times you're sitting on the computer, you're not even doing anything anyways. So why not just come on this particular website and you could get paid? 30 minutes is the average time. Sometimes it goes a little bit longer. So I went onto Glassdoor, and as I told you before, I want to make sure that I do some research. And they have reviews, and it's on Glassdoor. Once it's on Glassdoor, you know that this thing is legit. It's up to 5. They got a 5 out of 5 ratings. There's some people saying good things about it. And you could just read like the pros and cons. Pros, everyone works remotely. Cons, everyone works remotely. So they use like Slack. If you don't know what Slack is like a messenger type of work style platform that companies use. I do have Slack as well because I use Slack. So it's like Messenger, but it's everybody in one and you can communicate. So these are some of the things that people are saying about Respondent.io on Glassdoor. So you can come on here, just make sure you set up your profile correctly, because if your profile is not linked, and Facebook, LinkedIn, the reason why they want to do that, because they want to track your behavior and the different things that you do. So that way marketers and huge companies can know what to advertise to you. So click on here if you want to sign up. You just click here. Once you sign up, you can sign in with your LinkedIn, or you could sign up with your Facebook. Right here, social verification. If you don't have any one of those, you got to create one, because they want to make sure that you have to have it in order for you to participate. Contact details, demographics, and of course, they're looking for employment details. They want to know if you're working or if you're not working. So those are some of the things that they're going to cover with you on here. And you can see the different services that they have: customized project management services for your next research project. So these are some of the things that they're doing: research services, quota and typing tool, verbal phone screening, and the pricing. This is if people would land on this website. There's products, respondent marketplace. So we can come over here and look. Source from across the internet. Say goodbye to traditional panels and outdated pools, knowing who you're getting. Simplify your sources. Schedule with confidence. Want a helping hand. So you see all the different type of things that they have just have in place for you, and they also have some careers. This is probably going to be in-house with the career section, but you can refer others, you can sign up, and you could get started. So you could get paid just doing what you're already doing, and that's like being a research participant. So come on here, you get things done, you get paid. You can make $140 every hour just by doing that. Even more, the average is $140. You can make more or you can make less. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Our #1 recommendation is in the description, so make sure you check it out. That was how to make $140 in an hour. See you on the next video.